Express 3% of 3 meters in centimeters. A. 900 centimeters. B. 90 centimeters. C. 9 centimeters. D. 0.9 centimeters. E. 0.09 centimeters. Solution. Know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Therefore, 3 meters equals 3 times 100. Equals 300 centimeters. 3% of 300 centimeters. Equals 3 over 100 times 300 over 1. 300 divided by 100 is 3. And 3 times 3 equals 9 centimeters. Then, the correct answer is C. A 2-year-old car was sold for $30,000, 50% more than the price of the car when new. What was the price of the car when new? Solution. Let N represent the price of the car when new. 50% of N plus N equals $30,000. Then, 50 over 100 times N plus N equals $30,000. Divide by 50. 50 divided by 50 is 1. And 100 divided by 50 is 2. 1 over 2 of N plus N gives 3 over 2 of N equals 30,000. Multiply both sides by 2. 3N equals 60,000. Divide both sides by 3. Therefore, N equals $20,000. The correct answer is C. A trader takes $2,000 loan at 4% per annum simple interest. What is the amount he should pay back at the end of 5 years? Solution. The formula for calculating simple interest represented by I equals principal amount represented by P times rate of interest in percent represented by R times time period represented by T. Simple interest equals 2,000 times 4 over 100 times 5. 2,000 divided by 100 gives 20. 20 times 4 times 5 equals $400. Therefore, amount equals principal amount represented by P plus simple interest represented by I equals 2,000 plus 400 equals $2,400. Then, he is to pay back $2,400. The correct answer is A.